Alright, this is gonna be part one of my baby rack building video. And all this stuff is a bookshelf I stole from my sister and some tubs from Walmart. I don't know what kind of size tubs these are because I know that's kind of a commonly asked question. Just a second, I might have the answer. This is what they are. It's kind of hard to see in the camera. What are they here? I don't know, these are weird off-brand tubs, but they were like on sale for like $3 for 6 of them. If you're at Walmart lately, look for them. Great deal. That's what I got. I bought like 18 for 18 pairs of 6. So you know, you do the math. I don't know. I don't feel like doing it. 'Cause I'm retarded, okay? But yeah, I stripped down this bookshelf. It's not gonna be very even. I suck at cutting wood, but that's what she said. Yeah, I think. But anyway, I'm gonna use these old fence posts I found to build it. But yeah, this is part one. Alright, here's the next stage. I cut down those fence posts with a jigsaw and twist. So like this, I got one on each side, on the back. I didn't really measure it. I'm just eyeballing, because really finished project. I'm going to put 4-inch back heat tape on the backboard, and I'll be done with this rack. Alright, now what I've done is I've put support in there so I can move it around, you know, if I need to, and it'll fall apart. So I put tack pins. I put tack pins there and 2 on the back because I need to take this off later to put the heat tape on it. And I got these supported by 2, and now I'm gonna drill pilot holes in each board, so each of them has a nail in it or a screw. And pilot holes are very, very important, because if you don't drill pilot holes into the wood, it will split and you'll be pissed off, and I've done it before, so don't do it. Alright, so it's finished, and all it is a one side panel. It works fine. It's not without the 2 front ones. A back panel I'm going to take off here in a minute, put heat tape on. They're all tight. Unfortunately, that's a problem. I'm going to have to solve later somehow. I don't know why they're tight, but they are. Oh well, there's the almost finished product. Alright, it's finished. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 rows. And to experiment how well this back heat can work, I put some bacon in there. I'm getting out. He ate it anyway. I'm not gonna finish. I'll buy no bacon. Well, we're gonna see how well the heat works. See what temperature we come up with in the morning. See whether he's cold or hot, or just right. That'll do. Real nice. Alright, I'll put this color there. Just color.